Hey there guys, today I'm really excited. I just got these guitar wall mount hooks. These are from ClefArc. I got 3 of them. I'm going to be installing on the wall up here behind me. These are really nice. These are exactly what I was looking for. Just recently remodeled my basement, getting a lot of stuff up on the walls, and I wanted to hang my guitars up. So the part back here is actually made out of real wood. It's a nice hard wood there. Does come in different colors. I got this one here that has the wood look to it. The cradle here is made out of a composite material and it's very nice and soft. I really like the design that it has, that the guitar head will just fit right in there and you don't have to worry about it falling off. So it's got these nice little caps on the end here as well. These can be mounted directly into drywall, wood, or concrete. They actually give you anchors for all those different ones. So I'm going to show you the install and what it looks like when it's all done. So I'm going to try these metal anchors here that go for drywall. Just going to take a hammer. I already marked my spots on the wall. Hammer, see if I can get these in straight. So there you have the 3-pack guitar wall mount holders from ClefArc. You can see it holds a variety of different types of guitars. It can hold electric guitars as well as acoustic guitars that have a wider body. So if you're looking to display and hang your guitars on the wall, I really like these ones here from ClefArc. Hey, and as a little extra bonus, really cool, they give you a few guitar picks with a pick holder as well.